The Huawei Mate 70 Pro Premium Edition is making waves in the Chinese smartphone market. In just 2 weeks since its launch, this high-end device has reportedly sold over 200,000 units, proving its popularity among consumers. Despite featuring a slightly downgraded chip, the phone's impressive performance and premium features have drawn significant attention. At first glance, the Mate 70 Pro Premium Edition looks nearly identical to the standard Mate 70 Pro. However, there are two key differences: the chip and the price. The standard Mate 70 Pro is powered by the Kirin 9020, while the Premium Edition runs on the Kirin 9020A. The core structure of the 9020A consists of two large cores clocked at 2.40 GHz, 6 medium cores at 2.00 GHz, and 4 small cores at 1.60 GHz. While this variant has slightly lower clock speeds compared to the Kirin 9020, it still delivers a 35% performance improvement over the previous Mate 60 Pro. In real-world usage, the difference is minimal, making it a solid choice for users who want flagship performance without breaking the bank. Perhaps the biggest selling point of the Premium Edition is its price. It costs 300 yuan less than the standard Mate 70 Pro, making it a more affordable option while still offering top-tier features. This price cut has likely played a major role in attracting more buyers, especially those looking for a premium device at a slightly lower cost. Now, let's talk about the design and display. Huawei offers the Mate 70 Pro Premium Edition in 4 elegant color options: spruce green, hyacinth purple, snow white, and obsidian black. The device sports a stunning 6.9-inch OLED display with support for 1.07 billion colors, delivering vibrant and true-to-life visuals. It also features a P3 wide color gamut, a smooth 120Hz refresh rate, and a high 1440Hz PWM dimming for reduced eye strain. Additionally, the screen has a 300Hz touch sampling rate, ensuring ultra-responsive interactions whether you're gaming or scrolling through content. On the software side, the Mate 70 Pro Premium Edition runs on HarmonyOS 4.3 out of the box. However, it is fully compatible with HarmonyOS Next, Huawei's latest operating system designed to provide a more native and seamless software experience. This upgrade option ensures that users get the latest features and optimizations for a smooth and future-proof experience. When it comes to photography, Huawei has packed the Mate 70 Pro Premium Edition with a powerful quad-camera setup. The main sensor is a 50-megapixel lens that captures stunning details in any lighting condition. Alongside it, there's a 40-megapixel ultra-wide-angle shooter, a 48-megapixel macro telephoto lens for incredible zoom capabilities, and a 1.5-megapixel multispectral sensor for enhanced image processing. On the front, the device features a 13-megapixel selfie camera with 3D depth sensing, ensuring high-quality selfies and secure facial recognition. Whether you're a professional photographer or just love taking pictures, this camera system is built to impress. Battery life is another strong point of the Mate 70 Pro Premium Edition. It houses a massive 5500 mAh battery, providing all-day usage without breaking a sweat. For charging, Huawei has equipped the device with 100-watt fast-wired charging, allowing users to quickly top up their battery in minutes. Additionally, it supports 80-watt wireless charging, which is among the fastest in the industry. Its strong sales performance in China suggests that Huawei continues to maintain a loyal user base despite the ongoing challenges in the smartphone industry. If this trend continues, we might see more affordable high-end devices from Huawei in the future, bringing powerful features to a wider audience. What do you think about the Huawei Mate 70 Pro Premium Edition? Would you consider buying it if it becomes available in your region? Let us know in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tech updates. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.